Wanted to talk to you about the dollar amount that you need to save up before buying a home. The first one is you're going to need to save about 5% down payment. Now, if you're FHA, it's 3.5, but generally speaking, you need to have 5% down payment for a conventional. But depending on where your funds sit, 3.5 to 5%. The second one is you need to have $600, give or take, for an appraisal. Now, normally an appraisal comes out of your line item at the end of closing, but you still need to pay for it. It comes out of your own pocket. It just might be actually in your loan. But a situation that could happen is if it doesn't appraise high enough and you decide that you're not going to buy that home, then the appraiser is going to want paid. The lender is going to pass that off to you. So ultimately that could be a reason for it to come out of your own pocket. You're also going to need to save between $800 to $1,000 for home inspections. Those are every time that you get something under contract and you choose to want it inspected. Now, if for some reason the contract falls through and you need to perhaps put another contract, you're going to pay that another $100 or $800 to $1,000. Inspectors are not going to give you their reports back unless you pay for them. So you're also going to need 2 months in cash reserves. Well, that's to cover taxes and insurance, and that's also to cover the 2 monthly payments just in case something happens. They want those reserves set aside to make sure that you have those available. Now, closing costs are going to be anywhere from 2 to 3%. Make sure that you have that much money in the bank because those are going to vary based on the size of the home and the fees that are also included with the title company and the lender's fees. And then lastly, you're going to save for about $500 for utility deposits, meaning that electric companies, water companies, they're going to want an initial deposit down. So a safe bet would be $500 to save there. So all that being said, it is definitely a good decision to buy a home, but you're going to need to make sure you save up for that. So in the meantime, while you're saving up for that, reach out to me. Maybe we can have a conversation and start you on the home buying process. Reach out to me and connect with me here on social media for more buying tips. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.